guys, so today we gotta clean the craft lab. It's not like crazy, but it needs cleaning, so I want to share that with you. You gotta realize when you declutter and just life happens, it's gonna get messy. So let me show you what it looks like. Again, I don't worry about my husband's side. That's his mess, his, controlled chaos, I guess, or organized chaos. So before we get started, thank you for stopping by if this is the first time on my channel. Thank you for coming and watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you like videos like this, and hit the subscribe button down below and put on your notification bell. So let's get started. So this is the mess. Again, I don't worry about my husband's side. That's his stuff. I worry about my side. So yeah, so we are going to clean all this up. As you can see, I have markers and my Bible out because I was studying this morning, and just things need to just get cleaned up. But there's not a lot on the floor. Just gotta, take care of that stuff. So let's get started. So in case you're wondering, why doesn't she just take all the markers and just dump it in the container instead of putting it one by one? Well, the reason is that I have more mid-liner markers that can fit in this drawer. So when I dump them all in, it doesn't fit in the slot. But what I realized, if I put them in a certain way, then it will fit. And so that's why I'm doing it this way. Yes, it takes longer, but see, it fits. So that's what I have to do. I've been doing a lot of hand lettering and just journaling and drawing. I see that's one of my works, and I think I've become obsessed with markers and pens, and I need to stop. But yeah, so let me just continue on cleaning and let you enjoy the rest of this video. Yeah, this is my daughter's Copic marker chart. She keeps that so when she goes to the store, she knows what she has to show up by repeats, and that's her journal. But a lot of people are asking me, what am I doing this summer with my kids, since I have 4 kids, and honestly, I do not have one clue what to do with my kids, because here the town pool has been shut down, the camps are not having. So comment below, tell me, what are you doing with your kids this summer, because I would love to know, because I need some ideas. Maybe we'll go camping in the backyard or something, but just let me know down below. So in case you're wondering what I'm using Mrs. Meyer's multi-service in basil. I usually spray this stuff on here, let it sit for a little bit, and then clean, so I won't have to scrub so hard. I bought this scent like 2 years ago and I hated it, and now I bought it recently and I actually like it. I don't know, maybe I changed or they changed it, who knows, but I like it now. Now I'm just getting the fan and my purse and this beanbag out of here, and then we are done. Okay, so we are done. So let me show you what it looks like. Didn't take long, probably about 15 minutes, maybe 20. But everything's clean. I just want to show you some things. This is my new microphone. It's in an awkward spot, but it works for me. So, but yeah, I got that off Amazon. Over here is my books. I'm smashing my phone over here. But I got this. We have a store called HomeSense. It's just like Home Goods. Sells the same stuff and, same price. I don't understand what's the point of it, but hey, I'm not complaining. But I got this organizing unit. It was on clearance for $5 and nothing wrong with it, so I got that. And then I got this at Home Goods. I've been looking for an office chair and I can't find one. I found this. It's actually for makeup. It was in the bathroom section, so I'm assuming like makeup or bathroom storage, but it works great for my markers because I have my gel pens and my midliners and my micron pens. But it works great. It kind of has like an iridescent cover outside of it, and I got that for, I want to say, $4. So I was hoping I could find another one, but hey, it's all right. But other than that, everything looks good. I really like it. I like I'm starting to stay more organized, but I think that's the worst it's gotten because I've been doing a lot of drawing lately, and I will post my latest. I'll post some of my drawings. I'll put it up on the screen so you can see it. It didn't take long. I try to clean up every night, but for the past couple of nights I haven't been doing it because I've been so exhausted because my kids are finally done with school, but they are like going to bed 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, so I've just been exhausted. So I cleaned up. I'll show you some of my artwork that I've been doing. Again, guys, have a very blessed day. Bye bye.